Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Look at all of these bees. As you can see, this is a new swarm. I've lost a couple of my swarms and now I have one of these boxes, homemade boxes. Let's have a quick look inside the super. As you can see, they cross-combed a lot of the combs. This hive is pretty full. As you can see here, let me just see if I can pop up phone somewhere and then I'll take a look in the super. You can see like you move it straight. Oh goodness. Storing it in the super. Some pollen as well. Take a look at the frame next to it. This is not the perfect place to come and inspect these. As you can see, this one also has some nectar in it. Frame also with some nectar and a little bit of. And look at this, they're building it out now. I removed the excess wax because this was a wax foundation frame, so you could just scrape all of that off, all the old stuff, and now they're building it over again. Perfect. See some nectar in it as well. There was some old died out brood, but now they're fixing it all up. So I'm just gonna move. These are not the friendliest of bees, but look at this. Stuck on. Wow. Let me just quickly grab and show you. Newly hatched out brood. This hive is jam-packed with bees. One of my queens. As you can see, these are bits of banana that I fed them. The rest is gone. You just toss that. Gonna put in a sugar bag. Don't even think it's needed. Yeah, look at this. Jam-packed. So, brood on even the outer edge of this box. That's amazing. Just gonna lay that frame. Here I check aboard this hive. It's trying to go. Now they're going out this new comb, some nectar, stores. No eggs yet. Nice. Perfect. Some laid up eggs. See if you can spot the queen now. Nice. I'd probably stop the inspection because this is not the perfect weather to do an inspection. Let me just this is not the perfect weather to do an inspection. I'm gonna grab my smoker. Stop the video. Oh, got the smoker out. Got stung a couple of times. Time to smoke them a little bit. These bees a bit angry, so quickly get some more fuel for the smoke. You just smoke them down. I don't like using smoke, but what's not enough of it? And fill up this frame. Look at all of this brood. See if I can spot my queen. Full of brood. Got stung. There you are. This is bees stinging you. This is how it looks. Get the stingers out. See if it will come out. I will see a lot of slugs. Probably doing like that because I like that. Took the queen on this frame. I don't think so. Nope. But they are buzzing. It's probably the queen is not in the box. Look at all of this new comb. This frame you can graft from because there's a lot of eggs and larvae on it. A lot of bees building the combs. This is this hive's first year. Oh, look at this. This is a nice big frame full of some drone comb that I gave them to raise drones for queen rearing. One egg in it. Not a lot. Look at this. And then they stored a lot of honey in it. But this is what I want queens from this hive. Look at all of this. New brood. Just get done with the inspection and then get back. Look at all of these bees.